Entry east, heading back. I think we're in the south end of the park, so theoretically we're heading northerly on the east side of the, it's like a big rectangle. Pine Tree is rated easiest, but you know, you get a little speed and Pine Tree is pretty wild. But without the speed, it would intimidate a first timer maybe, because there are some routes. But Santos is a great trail system. Kudos to the Amba people from 30 years ago who put this together, and kudos to the Amba volunteers who maintain it. I know because I was part of our group once in New Hampshire, and we made trails, blazed trails, maintained trails, etc. You have to give up a riding day to go work trails. These guys in the beginning must have invested lots and lots of work to carve out these trails, and they had to get agreements with the park manager. I don't know if it's the county or the state, but that's always tricky. But they did it. They opened multi-purpose trails. I don't know if they built the other trails. There's walking trails and there's horse trails. Most of them are dedicated. In other words, the horses don't belong here. We don't belong in the horse trails, which I think is a good thing if you have the space. Oh, looks like I'm done with that one. Ready.